Hey guys, morning. I'm just getting started. Yeah, I had a great weekend. What about you? Yeah, I know. Looks like pretty. Tesla is pretty strong though. So, but everything else is selling pretty bad. So, yeah, morning guys, morning. Yeah, it's pretty. I hope nobody had Nikola. Nikola literally dumped like 30% or something. So that's I mean, stepping down, that's a big thing. So I don't know if those guys did something wrong or whatever. But yeah, Nikola was down pretty bad. So we're gonna look into. But if you look at Tesla, is holding pretty strong. I would say this is really strong when you have uh, Nasdaq and QQQ. Everything is selling off like up 2-3%, at least like a point. Tesla is up 2%. So I think if you had, so this was like this literally bull flag, and it's just going down. And I definitely see 50s now. Probably we're going heading to 55. That's where I see like some good support. But yeah, selling continue. Oh man, Facebook is I don't know why it does that, but 252. Facebook, I think it's going for downside. 34, huge gap fill. Let me see how much is Facebook. Cause I don't know, somehow it doesn't show Facebook correct, but 247, 247. So we are in 247. Yeah, Facebook could be a good put positions if just want to make sure if it goes, I will probably buy it and maybe get out right around here at 49 or 50, and from 46 I may just have a puts and try to ride it to 35 or something. So that's one of the play I'm looking. Apple also looks like a, it has some gap, so yeah, it almost filled this gap. So exactly, I had this one, this is from like last week, and it perfectly filled. We are here. So I think if you're gonna go 100, we definitely filling this gap till 96. So I think Apple going to 100 though. That's what I feel like, pretty much a very strong sell. But let's see. So all right, guys, welcome. So, Colin Fizzle, that was my watch list today as well. Yeah, thanks, Robert. Begin. I'm not sure, Eddie. What's up? Yeah, Nikola. One thing you have to be careful is like a lot of times, right? Nikola is already down 30%. So it's like Friday put would be like awesome. But yeah. But the one thing you have to be careful is when the market is selling off, everything sells up. You know, like even the good stock sells off without news sells off. Like doesn't even matter. Hello, I could not pronounce your name, but hello. I guess that's a Korean. So, but welcome. Let's look at the Nikola. Nikola dropped down like significantly this morning, like literally where we are at. Oh my god! So we had big resistance around this 29. We are way past that, and I feel like we are going to 22, and we even go lower, man. Yeah, spread could be good, but we are down like almost. I think we're down up to 30% at one point. Hmm. Let's look at the weekly. How does it looks? Okay, that's. I think there's some support around, but we already broke that. So I would say okay. There's some around 23. Else we're going 20. So I would say 23 and 20. So basically, we have some around 20. Oh man, I wanted to do the horizontal line. That's just easier. Yeah, I see there's some around 20 and on 23 as well. So right around 23. Yep, that's so if it doesn't hold 23, we're going to 20, and I see downside. But yeah, him leaving is pretty bad. I don't know. He did got some. I think he added like 20 million worth of stocks, but God knows, maybe they are fraud. So I don't have anything in Nikola. I played a little bit last week, just writing and whatever, but nothing there. Uh, and yeah, Nikola is going down, looks like. So Facebook is down pretty much like everything. Look at this bear flag. I drew it on Friday, like boom, and we get down straight up. So it would be nice on 62. So let's see how it goes. But silver, I haven't seen silver. What happened? Silver, is it down significantly? Sold bunch, but yeah, it's not looking great. Like still at the channel. So, oh, we are we broke out of this. That's bad. Oh wow. Yeah, the thing is like when everything sells off, like sell, everybody just selling everything. Looks like it's gonna be pretty bad. I don't know. I feel like Tesla looks strong. I kind of went over Tesla. So Tesla usually does its things, like you probably noticed if you have been in the market pretty much, but it does impact. Like whenever market is really strong, it will help. But Tesla usually does its things. It doesn't really like follow the market. Like sometimes it's a down, market is up, sometimes it's just up. It just does its thing. But today, I would say this is pretty strong. 447, we holding it, so that's a strong sign. But looks like slowly we were up to 50 and slowly selling off. But let's see what happens. We have day after tomorrow. Tomorrow evening we have a battery day, so hope it kind of keeps up. But let's see. So that's what we have with Tesla. Uh, Something happened definitely. I haven't actually looked into it, but I have some leaps in Bank of America, but I'm not really worried about that. But not sure what happened with banks. Oh, okay. Okay. So one thing was Deutsche Bank. They were, I think, they had some kind of. They said like they were involved in some money laundering. So I haven't dig into. So that's could be. So it looks like J.P. Morgan. So Monday, led by Deutsche Bank, JP, after the report that found number of global banks mobilized the illicit funds over the past 2 decades. So basically, for they are accused of money laundering for 2 decades. That could be really big. If that's the fact, they will go really down. It's a bad thing. Thank God I don't have JP or Deutsche Bank. I have Bank of America, but oh wow. Okay, okay. So okay, that's what happened. Hmm. So how is Bank of America? Cause I'm there. uh yeah, probably my average around 24.50, 25. So not too bad, but that's a huge sell off from almost, oh, wow, literally from 25.20 to 24.47. That's huge though. See, look at that. That just dropped so much. Wow. Okay. So it's pretty bloody day, looks like. But the news was not about Bank of America, but it's a just a bank involved. So everybody. So that's people do not think, they just sell everything. So that's what happens. But if you believe in company, these are the good time to buy. Where are the gap labels do you feel for Apple and Facebook? Okay, so silver is pennant, but looks like it kind of broke in the downside. So not sure how it's gonna go. But we look at the Tesla banks. I think we covered it. Yeah, something about money laundering. Yeah, exactly. That's what. How long would it take to find a steady support level? Is it still? I believe it's. Oh yeah, I'm not buying snow right now. I think like I'll wait a couple months actually. Like maybe there's earnings and they will sell off, right? So. Uh, because right now it's still like 221. They were like, I mean, come on, they're losing money again, like 15-20 billion. They're almost like what, like 80 billion or something, 64 billion. Like I would not touch it like till it goes probably like 150. If not, that's fine. Like you don't have to, like there's 5,000. Your risk reward is very low here, right? Your potential downside is more. I mean, I'm pretty confident it will go below 150 soon. So I mean, why you wanna buy it here? So yeah, I wouldn't buy it here. But so Facebook and Apple, we can kind of go over those again. But I just went over. So if you're not gonna do 2 hours, I'm gonna do daily. So this is a Facebook gap. Yeah, Facebook gap. I think we are around 47 or something. There's a huge gap till 34. So Facebook has a huge gap till 34. So that's for Facebook. And Apple. Yeah, Apple is, we already filled this gap. We are way below here, 104. So next gap kind of start right around 100 till 96.5, let's say. There's two gap. So those are the gaps for the Facebook and Apple. So okay, so the gaps. Morning guys. DKNG. So DKNG. I sold DKNG on Friday. So I had leaps. I sold that almost 100%, and I had some call as well. I got in right around for the call. I got in. I was I think if you guys were in live, so if you guys were in live, I drew it right here. So I forgot the day, whenever it was. So it was 14th, I guess. And I was drawing this before too, and I got in somewhere around here. Like we had a huge bullish, and we literally 1 2 3 4. We went literally and that's where I guess I sold good. Seems like they are down a little bit, but I sold on Friday like this as well, a leap. It just really quick, so I wanted to get my profit. I saw a diagram, so I don't know if I uh, so there was some funny diagram I found. I don't know. I guess it's hard to find, but somebody no, I think I have in my other, but I just wanted to show you, which you will probably find funny and maybe good too. Okay. Just a second, I will find that. I'm kind of looking, and you should probably. Okay, so I think I will get that somewhere. Okay, I got it. So this was something interesting. I found it online and I wanted to kind of show you guys, and this is what happens. So I guess you can see my screen. Everybody can see my screen, I guess. But that's what happens, right? So you buy here, so great breakout, great buy. And you are here knowing you should sell when your stock does this. When you buy it, you will think this. But what happened is, like, we are greedy, right? But you are like, you think it's gonna go like this, right? But what happens? That's what happened, and you sell it right here, right? So it did give you opportunity. So that's why I'm happy. I don't know, nobody knows the market. Maybe DKNG will go 65, 75. It's fine. I made money out of it. I did not lose, so that's a winner, you know. A winner is always a winner. So something to keep in mind. But yeah, I guess you guys maybe felt that. But yeah, so if it has a gap, meaning it's gonna go down to fill it again. Yeah, I mean, gaps, like 80-90% of the time gaps are filled, but nothing is like your pattern gap. These are just the high probability. Nothing is guaranteed, right? It may just go halfway and come back. It may never fill it. Anything can happen, right? But there's a good chances, like it's going down, so it will probably fill the gap. Why is putting in a position for Tesla? What's your report? uh I feel like it's a little bit too late for the Tesla party, because most of the people got in when Tesla was around what? I mean, around below 400, 380, 370, even 400. So right, yeah, as Marco says, exactly what Marco said. Yeah. Hi, I had a Facebook over the week already down. Facebook 300 expired second. Would you hold? Oh, sell it, man. I don't think, at least, again, my opinion, maybe it will go down and you will say, like, hey, he told me, but I do not see Facebook going to 300 in October, which is 2 weeks, right? So I would sell it, like, at least you make like 10, 20 or something, you know, make something, salvage it. Yeah, as Eddie said, I do not think. Yeah, exactly. You will be a lot lower than 20%. You will probably, yeah, yeah, exactly. Marcos could not agree better. Did I draw that? Not sure what you draw that, but wouldn't putting a position into Tesla battery day be a good move, RJ trade? Again, depending, like, what's your risk tolerance. Again, it can go up to, but we are already really like high, and there's an ivy crust, so you gotta be careful. You can put a little bit of money, but I would not suggest like put a lot of money at now. So Ronnie, 380, not sure what 380 means, but yeah, it could actually. Brian, day trade, sorry. Yeah, I mean, day trade, if everything looks good, you can, like, doesn't matter, right? Day trade, like, look the support and resistance, look at the trend, and if it looks good, then that's fine. But fall flow, oh, you mean call flow? Oh, Brian, I would not really like cause flow, right? If you dive deep into it, the flow are, a lot of the flow are has, because what's going on is uh, this has funds, right? They will buy puts because they want to like reserve their portfolio, right? Maybe they are shorting the stock, so they want to kind of has buy a call. So there could be a lot of things, and these guys have literally billions and billions of funds. So you will see like, oh, that's 2 million, 5 million flow, great. But a lot of the times, I mean, if it was that easy, just flow the flow and everybody will make tons of money, right? Do you think you will day trade for tomorrow, Tesla? I may, depending upon the what's the yeah. Zoom, a good time to get in for long term hold. Most tech stock down. Tech are still pretty highly valued, so maybe you can look into some. I think Facebook. I like Facebook, but oil XOM for long. I think it's probably selling off too, like with the broad market. But yeah, look at that. Like when we have a sell off, we sell off everything, and we went up 37, then boom. There are some resistance right around 36. So yeah, 36. So we can hold that, but pretty much everything is selling off. I want to enter when there's more confirmation. So Tesla is pretty strong though. I would say it's very strong, because when we have this red day, so if you guys in see, it had a gap, it filled that, and gap fill, it came down again. So we are right here. So it looks like pretty strong, this one. I had some put on, I sold Friday as well. We are down a little bit. I see anything below 86, 85, I would say we can go literally 80. Anything above 86 is still positive. We are right in the middle. We could go 91. So it sold off after the earnings, but after that it's been pretty strong. But silver is selling off. Everything is selling off pretty much. Let's see. Some put. Oh, QCOM. Okay, QCOM. I haven't looked into QCOM. What's the ticker? QCOM. Not C. That's funny. I don't know. Wow. Okay. It's making head and shoulder. It's a bearish pattern. So shoulder, head, shoulder. It's a bearish. So huge gap from 100 till 93. Yeah, there's some support, but yeah, I see head and shoulder, so I'll definitely not get in. I think head and shoulder has 60-70% of chance of going down. It's not inverse at regular, so yeah. Where is head and shoulder? Let's draw head and shoulder. Is it this one or this one? Where is head and shoulder? Oh, I think it's here. Come on, I knew it somewhere. Not here, definitely. So we checked it. I think you can you can categorize. I think it's right here. Yeah. Yeah, head and shoulder. I don't know why I didn't see, but little bit of slanted, but yeah. So Tesla strategy. So let's look into. So yeah, that's what I think of. Okay, so QCOM put works like call, just opposite. Put is saying stock will go down. Yeah, exactly. If you get puts, you wanna stocks to go down, so you will make money as it goes down. I've been doing it in October, probably cash out soon. Yeah, again, these are all my opinion. Just don't do. Just think about it. You look into it, what you think, put your thing, and yeah. Again, James, like I'm not saying it's gonna go straight to 92, and I don't know where you got that 92. You got 92. Right. What you are saying is 92 to make money, it has to go below 92. You will make money as it goes down, but that's way far away, right? Even if it fills gap, it may not fills in 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Like depend like when is your put, or maybe it will never fill too, as we talked before. So yeah, 92 is way further in the money for like couple months. That's what like 90 is like what 20, so almost 20-30%. That's a lot. And if you look at QCOM, it doesn't like it doesn't fly like others, right? It just kind of goes slowly. So yeah, I think that's way far away. I wouldn't go that far, but yeah. So uh, let's see what's okay. Let's say you purchase a quantity of 30 spread contracts. Can you select to close 20 out of 30 contracts? Will I have to close? Yeah, you can, Ronnie. Like you can do anything you want, right? You can sell one, you can sell two. It's yours, right? So just think about it. You got Apple iPhone. What you can do? You can sell it, you can keep it, you can break it, you can just do nothing about it. You can do anything. Nobody's stopping you from yeah, if you bought it 30, you can sell 10, 20, or even all. Doesn't matter. You can do anything. Oh, I think illicit funds you get constant lockdown. Oh wow, for sure, man. Sure. Thank you. Thank you. Also appreciate your videos there. Of course, like yeah. And if you guys have not subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe. Lot of videos, and also if you guys have any questions or you wanna know about, let's say, quit watching or witching or monthly expirations, or you wanna know about ETFs, so just let me know. I'll make video about those. Yeah, I will try to do at least 2 weeks out, but the thing is like I don't wait till 2 weeks. What if like after a week we are in an uptrend, right? I sell it. So yeah, but I usually do, unless I'm strong. Sometimes I do a week. So if I'm doing daily trade, like I'm doing a day trade, I may just do just today. But if I'm doing swinging, I will just do a few weeks. What does huge gap on the Apple? So gaps are like when there's a, usually happens on the aftermarket. You close at something, then maybe you got news or something. So people are too much excited about it, but it does like 90% of the time the gaps are filled. So that's a sure we can talk about it. Futures are red the week, and what's the resistance for workhorse? Shall I get puts? I will look into the workhorse. Yeah, I just did not knew if when closing it will sell all of them instead of letting me say how many. So thank you for. Yeah, you have to select, Ronnie. You have to select how many you want. So that way. So all right. So Facebook. So looks like a lot of people's. But again, you gotta be make sure if market goes kind of upside and it's going up, you probably don't wanna. But this is what I see. This Facebook, I think we are right around 47. I think so. We have a gap till 35, and usually if you have a gap, it fills it. I'll get out. Anything's like that's some support, good support too. So it may kind of backtrack if you keep holding it, and yeah. But that's a huge gap I see. So it's there. Same thing with the Apple. Apple has two gaps. It filled this other one, and we are down, leaving another gap right now. So we may feel it when the upside, but if we go down, looks like a if you go down, we are a support around 100. If the support does not hold, we're definitely going to fill the gap till 96. This is when I want to add it. So a lot of people were buying here, right? I said a lot of times you will get opportunity. Market will definitely give. So you need to have a patience. One of the most important thing in a market is patience. If you don't have a patience, if you are thinking, literally it's not for you. You need a lot of patience. I mean, let's look at what else we have. How the futures? Futures are pretty. SPY is down 2%. NQ Nasdaq is down almost 2%. So yeah, pretty much same as the SPY and Nasdaq, pretty much down. But yeah, pretty much everything is down. And oh wow, we had a huge sell-off, bull flag, then boom, look at that, flag down. So that's why you gotta know your pattern. Flag down. So if you just got in right here, you made a good money, like 11 to almost 10, almost 1000 points. But yeah, NQ is just Nasdaq. If you don't do future, you can do Nasdaq, and ES is just the SPY. So Nasdaq gonna be, you can do QQQ, and ES you can do SPY. So yeah, you have, and we broke that trend line, and I think did you broke this bigger trend line? Oh my god. If you break this bigger trend line, that would be good. You're gonna make tea or coffee? Oh wow. I wanna see. Yeah, if you break this, I think we are more going down. Again, same thing. Flag, boom. Doesn't look good. So, anyone know why VXX is popping? Yeah, VXX is opposite Christian. So, okay. So, Christian, so VXX is basically opposite of the market. So VXX is, that's why you has it. So I usually has it. So VXX is basically opposite of the market. If the market goes down, it will go up. So yeah, it's a fear index. But yeah, whenever market drops big, it just pop up. So I think it was a good opportunity to actually buy on Friday. I don't know why I did not buy it. I had some, I sold it on Monday or Tuesday, but I usually hedge it. This time I did not buy it, but it's good to have VXX. That way, kind of compensate when in the uncertainty. Is gap being filled always pretty bullish? Well, it depends, right? Is it gap down or down means it's bearish right now. It's all Apple and Facebook are bearish gap, but AMD better to sell or keep it. Uh, yeah, we are in a downward trend. We had that. Oh, we have a gap on AMD too. Huh. So we have a gap from. Oh man, a lot of gaps. So I'm gonna do this. Okay, gap on AMD too. AMD pretty flat. So this is a strong resistance too. So we may kind of bounce up, but if not, we are going lower to 71 and 60. Oh, there's another gap too. But yeah, a lot of gap. Okay, so let's look at okay Apple holding. Apple holding. Tesla is very strong. Tesla is very strong. So we are pretty strong. That's 452. Oh yeah, that's a. I wish I could pronounce your name, but whoever said 10,000 to buy and keep 10 years, that's a really good grade. If it drops to 10,000, yeah, just buy and keep it 10 years, and you will be 20, 30,000. See, we are right there. So Apple is holding. It was almost 3, so I think buyers are coming, which is a good sign. Wow, Netflix literally like Netflix did really well. Netflix looks strong. Okay, it has support right around 65 and we are at 70. So yeah, if this support holds, it could be really good. Tesla is doing great. Look at this Facebook. Okay. Okay, my Facebook got filled, and let's look at the Apple. Apple kind of hanging around, hanging around right there. Buyers usually comes for the Apple, so but everything is red except Netflix. Wow, and Tesla, of course. Tesla is. Let's look at the SPY. SPY, it's pretty weak as well. If you look at the, I don't know. Oh man, look at this. Look at this. We dropped literally from 26 till 24. Great put opportunity, and seems like I think we are going to 20s. Should have used more. Puts. We are in a puts country. Let's look at what questions you guys have. Okay. Okay, let me see. Okay, so Facebook Gap. What do you think about CBS for a leap? CBS is a good company. I mean, I like CBS. So I don't know where we are. Probably, yeah, that's a good idea. Like if you are holding for long term, and let's look at the weekly because we are not looking at. I think okay, so we are in a kind of downtrend, but we are channeling. So we are channeling right here, kind of downward channel in a weekly. But seems like there's some support right around here at 52. So we are. I think it could be good buy actually. We don't know whether it's gonna go here, right? So if you plan to put, let's say 10,000, maybe you'll buy 2,500 here. Um, Keep adding it when it's go down. If it goes up, at least you have um, something to write. So that's good. So Kodak, I'm not gonna look into it. Kodak is it's a pump and dump, right? Like not a strong fundamental. They were great like 10, 20 years ago, but not now. Market open Tesla, 53, awesome. Tesla is doing good. I have a 40, 45 trade that I'm thinking about holding till I think I'm in a better position than 500. Yes, Mark, you are a lot better position than 500 lotto. 500, it's hard, and if it doesn't reach there, it may kind of not do that. But yeah, can you check BA, please? I think I did check BA, but we can go into BA once more. Oh, this is weekly, so we're gonna go daily. Yeah, we have a very strong support right around 56, 57. If we hold it, I think that's what we've been holding it, then we bounce off. We hold it, then we bounce a little bit, then we holding it again. Hopefully we bounce off, but that's where we are with the BA. I think there's some kind of news, but AMD bull flag on a minute, maybe. So that's where we are with the BA. Thanks to that, got out of Facebook, got lost. Yeah, I mean, at least you make some money, right? I mean, you're losing, but at least got something. Again, depends like where you are. I don't have, I have very few lotto, but I have those from before. So yeah, I have leaves for work. So yeah, that's good. It's holding because it sold off really bad before. So Roku is up today too. Yeah, I think Roku had some news. So I totally forgot, man. I mean, I was planning to kind of. Oh wow. So Roku had some news with Universal or something. So totally missed out. Oh my god. I knew it. I saw that news, but oh my god. Sometimes you just miss. You can't. Oh my god. Just got in. Look at this, man. Literally buy it here. Stop loss. Stop loss. Stop loss. Like look at the trend line. Just you can just write it down. But right now I feel like it's way too up there. I'm not gonna enter right now, but man, Roku was the move. Okay, SPY is kind of coming up after the after some drop. But I totally missed on the Roku news. But let's look at sold to close one contract. DKNZ 40 call has been filled for every person. I'll get back in a letter. Today's sell-off day. Yeah, Eddie, that's good. So you sold at the profit. That's always a good. Wait until December, I would say. Thanks. Okay, thoughts about Shill. Looks like it can be running. Yes, it's Shill, Shill, Shill. Let's look at Shill. Kind of make a nice cup, then boom. It's kind of making the same pattern. Really strong uptrend. Volume is kind of picking up too. Not too much here, but again, these are the like new one. But yeah, you can actually daily looks good. Like it's in the strong. but I don't know much about the shill. I think it's one of those acquisition company SPAC. Uh, yeah, looks pretty good. Good volume. Like whenever we had a sell off, it looks like it's been strong. So I guess they have some acquisition or something going on. I'm not sure about it. I haven't followed, but looks good. Tesla. What's going on with Tesla? Tesla is good, right? Yeah, Tesla is good. We are up like when market is down all red. Like we are still like couple percent up. It's pretty good. I think if market was strong, Tesla literally would have opened like 5% up, but looks good so far. So Tesla looks pretty decent. Neo. Yeah, I think Neo had kind of Neo sold off with the market as well. I haven't looked into the Neo, but yeah, we had a support around 1850. We are 1836, so we are way below that. So that's a little further away, but I see some support around 18. If not, I do not see any strong support. We may literally go down like to 15s. Yeah. pretty much with the market sell off, I think Neo would have been kind of running, but only Tesla is strong. So people are dumping pretty much everything they could think of. So yeah, I got Facebook puts right in the beginning. Uh, Maybe, yeah, I'm like a little bit up. I got around 47, so I'm like 10, 12% up. It's fluctuating, but yeah. Yeah, I know. Roku, I knew the news and I totally missed it. Tesla, it's kinda, I don't know. You gotta be careful right now. I feel like it's too late, but if you wanna go, maybe get a little bit. So where are we with the Apple? Oh wow, Apple is going up. See, sometimes it doesn't necessarily feel. We did went up to looks like wow. We did went all the halfway, then kind of. So you gotta look into the smaller, but seems like I think everything is turning bullish now, from literally bearish to bullish. So that's why, that's one of the reason, unless you are day trading. So if you have weekly and you got panic and you don't have a time and a lot of time, it just changes, right? So uh, oh wow, we're right here. We were kind of looking, and oh wow, now I see bullish now. I think this is going up probably. uh, we are up 90, 92. So I see really, I'm bullish about Python now. Looks really strong actually. Now, Netflix is strong too. But yeah, Roku was real. So I missed on Roku. I mean, I missed it. I knew the news. Like probably it was right here. They had partnership with what do you call? I don't know. Let's look at the Roku. So they have some partnership. Some, I think like Universal or something, about Peacock something, right? Yeah. Yeah, this Peacock, Peacock Roku confirms a streaming carrier deal. So I'm not sure what that is, but basically they have some deal with that, which is good for them. So that was the news, and man, missed it this right. It would be so wonderful, almost literally. Ah, man, this looks strong. Like from here till here in a 3 days, really strong move. Wow, silver is weak. Jesus. At least Tesla is holding really strong. Yeah, Zoom had. I told a lot of people's like this ascending triangle get in right here. So I don't know how many if you got it, but if you got in like 410, this one I actually sold it on Friday too, like 40 around. Like I sold it, but pretty strong. I sold pretty quick though, cause market is so iffy. But look at that, like this was, I drew it like literally like what, last week sometimes, and boom, look at this. We are literally up like 50 points from whatever. But yeah, June looks strong. So you got to look at this strength, right? Like this, even if the market sell off, it was it did sell off for a few days, but again, not only market, it just sold off because it was just too high on the very first day, and after 3 days, it started creeping up. Even if market was kind of selling off, it did not sell off that hard and going up. How is okay? It's kind of resting there. See, I told this one right here. And also for what do you call DKNG as well, right here. Those were top, it blasted, and look at that volume. That's a beautiful huge candle. I'm glad I sold it, man. Sometimes I do good. So basically, right, as I showed you the map, it could have gone up to, but could have gone down to. I sold it, so it's good. If I want to get enter, I got cheaper price. I'm not gonna enter right now, but you know. Okay, that was a good decision. I sold it on the Friday. For that. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy. This is like pump and dump, man. Like, why are you like? There's thousands of stocks. Why are you? This is like they don't have a like strong fundamental. It's just some news, and I mean, I don't know. Like there's less risk reward, right? They don't have a good base. Like there's some support around like $5, but here it's all over. There's a gap to fill from 7 to 6, and yeah, and this is like I wouldn't really buy. I wouldn't even touch it. This is like a penny stock. I mean, you can day trade based on the actions, but if you are doing swinging or whatever, I will get away with this. I feel we are going down. Oh wow. Yeah. Put is really strong. If it holds this 92 area, we can literally retest our all-time high, but it has to hold that area. And SPY is kind of going up and down, kind of playing around, doing its own thing. No idea why is DAL is down 8%, but just the market sell-off, those weaker ones sells, so I don't know, but well, you can buy it cheaper, I guess. Not sure about any news. I haven't followed, but we can look into here together. Many are chasing the stock market, but the airlines are much like last month people. That's what I did. Delta increased frequent flyer depth sales to 90. Okay. I guess it's just the summertime. There was like numbers growing up, so it's fall. Less people are traveling, and they are already in trouble. So kind of reality kicking in, and also I think a lot of stimulus is also expiring, so they don't have money. So a lot of layoffs and everything. So yeah, see, a lot of people thinks like, hey, I'm chasing. I want a delta, but it just came down cheaper. Now you buy it if you really believe in it. So it gives you opportunity, guys. Okay, Facebook is kind of hanging around there. Tesla 47, so it's kind of slowly lingering down, but so that's why, like, if you have really long calls, you know, you will get theta burn, like, so you probably saw you probably significantly losing money for your 600 or something if you have, so you gotta be careful with those. So where yeah, it's holding that 92, but slowly weak. The market looks weak though. Yeah, SPY is, see, look at that. SPY kind of, it's just shake out. See, SPY kind of like, it acted as it's going up, then again it's down. So you gotta be careful. If you look at 5 minutes, yeah, it's down, acted up, now it's going down. I definitely see it. I think it's gonna go 320 at least. There's a huge gap from 26 to 30, so when we go up, that's good. Yeah, SPY. I want SPY to go 22, maybe 20. Then I will probably sell it. Let's see. Let's see. Thoughts on AMD. Can I ask with the speed? I don't really get why there is. Okay, I'll explain that just a second. Let me drink a water, but I will explain ask bit, and we'll go over that. Yeah, it would be changing now. I totally missed it. Eddie, I knew the news. Oh my god, I feel so bad like for myself. Like now I'm not gonna change. It's too high right now. So if it's come back maybe, but I knew the news. I saw it this morning or yesterday, and I was planning like this is a very good news, very strong news. I will get in, and I totally forgot about it. So I need to kind of keep a better note, I guess. I usually do that. Today I just did not do, but okay. So span support, yeah, 223 it has a good support. That's what I saw too. But ask bit, I don't really get why there is a difference. So I'll tell you, right? So SPY. Uh, we can show here. Or let's. Okay, whatever you see, that's the price last executed. So last transaction happened for 324.25. That's the last price. Same with the options too. You will see like last price and everything, right? But in the market, you always have buyer and seller, right? As a buyer, you want to pay less, right? As a buyer, you want to pay less. So basically what buyer is saying is like, hey, I want to buy if the SPY goes at 324.20. It always changing now 18. I'll just pay 18. Now I'll pay. As a seller, you want to sell more, right? So basically that's why it's always like it will never be equal. It will always like a cents up. But see, buyer, he's saying I want to buy at 24 too, but seller is saying this. That's all it is, right? So if you want to buy it, like if you put this price, not execute it because there is no seller. It has to go down. That's all. Think about it. Like, let's say you are selling a Nike shoe on Amazon or even OfferUp or whatever it is, right? You posted it like you're selling a Nike for $100. You are a seller. You wanna uh, uh, you saying like you wanna sell $100, but other people are saying like, hey, I'm gonna pay $90 or I'm gonna do $85 or $95. So if nobody's paying $100, it's not gonna sell. That's why your spread is not executing is that's what happening because you are saying I'm gonna sell at 100, but nobody's buying. Nobody wanna pay $100 because they don't think it's worth 100. They're thinking it's maybe 95 or 90, right? So what do? You have to keep lowering your price. You lower from 100. You're not gonna lower 100 to 50 because it will sell, but you lost all those opportunities. So what you do is like maybe you'll try 95, then those people may try like 85. So that's what happens sometimes when the stock is going down. You start with 100, then you go 95, then 85, but the stock is going, the demand is just going down and down. It's not executing. That's what happens, right? If you wanna sell right now, you just gotta do like, let's say if you want to sell it right now, you got to do the lowest price, right? You got to do the this 30 to 24. If you do O2, it will sell right away because there is buyer for that. But if you go above that, you may have to wait or time. That's all it is. I guess that makes sense. Does it make sense, AP? I hope that makes sense. uh, Roku would be changing. What's wrong with the Tesla buys by 3.2 months out calls? That's a good idea actually. But the thing is, like 2 months gonna be really expensive though. But probably. But one thing though, like next month election and everything, so there's a lot of things. So yeah, we may go even down, right? So if 20 support doesn't help, we may go to 10 or 300 too. So yeah, but I feel I'm kind of bullish on the long term, but man, what a big candle for Roku. But yeah. Yeah, I guess that's what's happening because corona is rising again. So if you see Europe has really rise, and also I think it's winter coming, so there's chances like winter will see more, and yeah, more Zoom uses. So it's crazy, but that's what happened. Yeah, yeah. Right, all right. So what's going on? Okay, let's look at. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. See, it holded that 92 level and we are boom. Pretty strong. Where were we with the Apple? Okay, Apple holding pretty good too. So almost a red to green actually. That's a good one. Is Facebook up too? Okay. I don't think there's anything to worry about with Tesla. Tesla is holding pretty strong, and man, why I did not add it? Roku. Wow, Roku lit. Look at this candle. Huge candle. Okay, so what else? Let's look at, okay. Yeah, for Amazon, like there's people are just hoping I will just buy cheaper. So as the stock price is really high, you will see like huge bid and ask. If the like, and also look at the volume. Like for example, SPY bid and ask is always best, pretty much. With Apple too, it's pretty decent. With Amazon and Tesla, it's really wide. So yeah, Apple looks weak, but kind of keeping up right now. But let's see. GSX and MLM, no idea, but GSX. I have no idea what this is. Oh wow, what a huge run up. Then they tanked. Short. So kind of broke that up, kind of breaking that up, the uptrend, but looks very strong though. I don't know what they do or whatever technology, internet service, GSX Tech, EDS. I have no idea what it, never heard of it, but looks really strong though. Really, really strong. That okay. So what was the other one? MLM. These are the new company. So there's good resistance. I think it could be there, but yeah, I think this looks like a good shot actually. uh, if we just draw, so there was good resistance right around here, and looks like there's good support around here. Oh man, that's a beautiful chart though. Look at that. See, look at that. Whenever we bounce up there, we boom 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 boom. This rejection was kind of, could have shorted that, would you already be up, but looks like pretty decent though. And this is all the way from 30 to 200. So if we touch it, and seems like we pretty much touch all the time. So yeah, MLM looks good short actually. Yeah, I like the chart. Really good. Like, look at the pattern, right? It's a good base. And other things I would look for is like breakout of this. That would be good. So whenever a stock is in channel for a long range, a breakout means it moves really high. Seems like it's definitely not breaking out here, going downside, but that's a, looks good. Apple, keep going. Can you choose? I have been seen June goes crazy and defy all asset patterns. So what the risks to get in? I think. I think so. It's coming. Yeah, I mean, if you are just cause two spread 70-75 will be probably a couple $100. So yeah, you can actually risk those, like, yeah. So if I purchase a call on a stock in 2 weeks, but the price is over in the money, what happened? Does it automatically? I can sell the contract. So it depends, right? So if you are in the money, usually most of the broker will sell unless you tell them do not sell their exercise. But so if you have just a call, usually I would suggest just closing yourself. Like, why you wanna, like, when you're up nicely, just close it. Yeah, yeah, right. As Gary said, right? Man, Tesla is down, huh? Oh wow, Tesla. Oh man, SPY. Did I sold it? No. No. Profit is profit. Oh wow, massive sell-off on Tesla. What a massive sell-off. So we do need to hold this support 22. Oh wow, that was a massive, massive sell-off in Tesla. Jesus Christ. Wow, wow. This is sad. I guess nobody's. See, one thing I will tell you, like, right? So, whatever we say, at the end, all these big player control the market. Like, they got tons of money. Like, you putting like 50,000, 100,000, a million is nothing to them. When they dump, like, cause 80 to 90% of the market, they do it. But Tesla will come back. I believe in Elon. It's 420. Look at that. Man. Yeah, Tesla. Okay, Tesla is coming back up, but maybe it was the last opportunity for everyone to get in. We did touch like 16. Wow, that was a massive sell-off. Like, I don't know, out of nowhere. Okay, the SPY is at 322. Man, I was telling it. I just sold my SPY at 25%, but now it would be 60%. But oh well, profit is profit. Facebook is down too. Did I already sell my Facebook? I thought it's kind of holding that 105, 106 level actually. So let's look at Tesla, like what really happened. That should be a big player. So if you go like 5 minutes, only 3K. Huge volume though, 58, 95K. I mean, I won't say that of huge, but was there any news on Tesla? No idea, but that was a huge sell-off. Oh man, SLA is down 10%. Jesus Christ. Neo, yeah, Neo is down too. Yeah, SPI like three 320 is a, it's bloody pretty much. Look at that. Look at that. With this, oh man, that's a heat. Oh, we are at 20. I think this is a bad sign. Probably Roku is also beaten. Roku is pretty strong. Wow. Oh wow, Nikola is going downhill. Seems like Nikola was arrested somewhere. Jesus Christ. Hmm. Interesting. I don't know what happened, but yeah. We have a huge sell-off literally from 50 till 20 to 23, but it's still strong though. Still strong. So let's see how it goes. If we keep this, we want to keep this 27, 28 level. If we keep this, we can still, we just need to hold. But again, like with everything selling off, it's just hard, you know. Except, oh my god, Roku is like, oh my. So it just broke up their all-time high. Roku was really strong. Man, it's almost 16%. Very, very strong. But pretty much that's about it. Let's look. Yeah, yeah. I highly doubt by today, but tomorrow we can see, and depending what. Yeah, Jason, Tesla is really like, I don't also play much in Tesla. I have some, but I don't do, cause it's just too volatile. I did trade, like when you see really good setup, I do trade pure on technical. But right now it's just like there's not much technical, more news, and it's just hype. Again, depends where you are. My majority of mine is 425. So if I'm above 425 by expiration, I'm good. So I'm not selling. But I think if you are like 490, 500, or even like 590, that's like way up. I mean, Tesla can do its thing, but that's way up. But if you're 490, 500, I see it's pretty hard. Yeah, I feel like Nikola will probably go down if that's the news. Looks like he was arrested, so that's a lot of things are cooking. Let's see. Steven, so I mean, if you so basically if you ever want to go, you should go with basically that's like that money is gone. That's a gambling money, right? So if you do that, maybe you can actually do. Yeah, yeah. So as Eddie said, so but if you wanna just play literally lottery, it's a lottery ticket. It's like a Mega Million. You play like okay, let's see. I mean, there's very less chances, but I'll just play. Maybe put one spread. I wouldn't. I don't know. Like Tesla is pretty expensive, so probably 500 calls are still expensive. So if you do like 500, oh, wow, it's 500 for 14. So this is like very expensive. So you gotta pay right now to 1400 for 500 call. So I mean, you could do a spread, I guess, maybe 505 for like $100 or something. But yeah, and just to break even, it has to be 415, and Ivy will be really crushed. So yeah, I would be careful. Okay. So yeah, Tesla looks pretty bad right now, but I think we do pop up a little bit tomorrow once the master like there's still FOMO. So I mean, maybe a good time, but I would not like go really deep. Yeah, it is. Tesla is really volatile, so that's why you got to be really careful with it and just only get what you can afford to lose. Somebody was asking me YouTube link, and also if you guys have not subscribed, please do subscribe. But yeah, you can just click this one, and I have tons of videos, like tons of videos on debit spread, like a lot of those things, why not executing and things like that, and how to do on pretty much every platform, candlestick, and pretty much everything. Tesla is coming up. You'll be fine. Unless you have like 600 calls, which I highly doubt it. But again, Tesla is different animal, so it can actually do its thing. Yeah. So it did touch like, oh, it did touch 407. What a sell-off though. But seems like it's kind of coming off. Where are we with, yeah. So we had everybody dumping, then it's kind of coming back up. So that's what's happening. So these are the shakeout, like weekends are shaken out, right? So shakeout basically, if you are weak. But yeah, that's why when you have weekly, you are like, you don't have much room. That's why when you have longer term, you have a lot of room. I mean, even SLV, I have SLV. I did enter around 2021, so so it's good. Like it's kind of coming up a little bit. Sometimes people react too quick, so but we had a huge sell-off. But I'll probably scale out slow a little bit. Still profitable at least. So I had pretty much all leaps, so I didn't pay much extrinsic value. So that's good for me, but down huge overall. QQQ, so way below. Okay, let's see. Zoom is popping. All the European lockdown news doing its wonder. Yeah. I'm concerned about Tesla. I'm decided to hold, but I wanted to know your strategy in this. Please up to date. I made a mistake putting 90%. Oh, okay. So one thing is like if you're putting 90% of the portfolio, that's really bad. You should never do that. Especially if it's a lottery play. Like lottery play, you probably want to put like 1 to 5%. I've seen a lot of people putting everything. Other things it depends is what's your strike price, right? I literally have only two lotto, basically $200. Most are basically 380 to 420, 380, 390 to 430. So if it's 430, I'm good, which probably we will be, right? So I'm already in the money almost. So yeah. So any more question, Nicholas? So one thing is, yeah, my strike is 495, 500. Yeah, 495, 500. That's a stretch. It's pretty hard. 465, 470 seems reasonable. But one thing is, after the event, if it doesn't move, literally yours, like you're gonna lose a lot of money. So I mean, if you have a lot, I would see how it does tomorrow. If it does good, when you are profitable, you can take out some. Yeah, but again, 495, 500 is a stretch, and also a lot depends when you got in. When you got in really cheap, maybe you will profit if we got in late. So yeah. Yeah, but one thing always is, don't put everything there. Just if you put like 10%, 10%, 10%, Also always be cash mostly. So let's see how Tesla does. What else? Well, I think work was holding pretty good. Yeah, wow. Work is good. Something is good, I guess. 70%, not bad. Slowly creeping up there. Tesla is also 28, that's good. Facebook is 45. Python is pretty strong. Roku and Tom, that's all looks pretty strong. Other than that, pretty much sell off everywhere. Yeah, Tesla is slowly kind of going there. So Tesla, usually Tesla do get buyers pretty quick, so which is pretty good. So yeah, we are 30. So yeah, 28 above, I think we should be good. Like if we may actually end up like again 40, 50. Tesla just seek out or some opportunity too. But again, like if you get in like way above like so I wouldn't like at this point. I'll probably for safety reason I'll just go like 450 max. And if you're profitable, you can always sell out. No, Tesla is creeping up. All right, so might be green again. Yeah, Tesla does its things. Tesla 30 model. Not sure what are your thoughts on pen. Pen was great like last week. I told to get in right around here. Right now it's kind of creeping up. So if it go below that, I will short it. But looks, I think it ran pretty quick. So it's a good, but slowly creeping up there. That's good. 432. That's pretty strong sign. Tesla is up 434. Look at that. Tesla never surprises. I do like work, Julian. Oh, you guys can hear me. Yeah, it's good. It's hot, but yeah, sorry. Yeah, thanks. It's good. All right, guys. If you guys have anything else, let me know. Else, I'm gonna say goodbye. But yeah, I'm planning to kind of go live during the Tesla event maybe tomorrow. Oh, yeah, tomorrow after hours. Let's see how that goes. But other than that, uh, goodbye, see you. And if you have not subscribed, please do that. If you have any question about anything, let me know, comment. And also, uh, yeah, also any question, just let me know. Any video you want me to make, let me know. But other than, thank you. Yeah, yeah. Tesla is coming back. As I said, like Tesla has a good, uh, like always buyers there. So there's FOMO. So it kind of drives. But again, right? If you are really far away, that's far away. Like 600. I do not see Tesla can do it. It does like weird things, crazy things. It literally went from what, from 500 till uh, 330 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So it can go up too, right? It can go. So that's within 5 days, like almost 430. So 170. So if it does that same again, it can go up pretty much 600 too. But I highly doubt it. But once we cross this 464, 465, I do see them. It could literally test 500. So, but we definitely need some good news on the battery day. Let's see how that pans out. But other than that, yeah, looks good. Yeah. Yeah, all right. Thank you very much, everybody. You guys have a great day and good luck trading. And yeah, don't put everything. Just look at the trend and play small when the market